Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Firstly, let me apologize for my voice. But I had to do this video because a lot of people are not giving us a chance to win. But we can win. In Cameroon, they like to give our team space. They don't know how to press. So one of my weaknesses here and there when they try to press up front. We have to capitalize. There's no team who AFCON that knows how to play Ebola from the back like us. Now let me show you how we can capitalize. Right? This is a goal kick Gabon. So what happens here is bagcwele la phakathi. So bayenzani bazogcwalisa la phakathi nendawo so that you can play the ball wide. So the moment we play the ball to our fullbacks, whoever's playing on the wing, whether it is Umuremi or whether it's Apolis, we have to drop. This was a bad pass, it's slow. So someone needs to be here. You can't Umuremi lento yakho of staying wide and not coming in deep to collect the ball. It has to come to an end. We need players that want to play. If we are going to beat Cameroon, we need ball players. People must not be scared to play the ball. Because look at this space la ukuthi singakanani. It's just that Gabon, this guy was late here. It's just that Gabon nabo abekho mnandi njengathi. Ngiyaphinda futhi, there's no team ku AFCON that plays the ball like us from the back. Lento ngisho, they like to give spaces here. Badlala 5 at the back against Cote d'Ivoire, badlala 5 at the back. You can't press like that. This is not good pressing. Bheka ukuthi baphuma easily kanjani. Easily. Now let me take it back. If they play 5, normally they play 5 at the back. If they play 5, then I would prefer Tina we play with 2 strikers, but that is not going to happen. Because they play 5 at the back, so their center backs, their central midfielders, they don't know who to press. Because watch what he does. Watch this guy wins that. Uzozala, badlala la, yambona ukuthi sekakuphi, ukhohliwe ngayo, ubuya la uzopress, balibuyisela laphaya. Then this one goes there. Uzaha was supposed to be picked by that guy. Baphumile. When you have a lot of people, sometimes it's a bad thing because akekho umuntu ofuna ukumarka. Omunye uyathumela iyale. Mozambique versus Cameroon. You might think this is a good press, but this is not a good press, especially if idlala against South Africa. Let me take it back. Ngiyaphinda futhi, most teams don't know how to play from the back. Ayikho team eku AFCON ekwazi ukudlala ibhola njengathi from the back. So we have to play through our strength. So now, when the ball gets to Rowan, this is Mokoena. This guy was not supposed to go there. He is supposed to come here. When the striker goes here, the keeper plays the ball here. Baldala la foot. Simple. It's simple. The keeper will play the ball in the middle, and then whoever's gonna be in the middle, whether it's Mokoena or Risitore, he plays the ball back to Ungezan. Simple. But because in Mozambique, they don't know how to play out from the back. Wenzani will shift isale. And then this one here, He is closing down his space for this guy. You can't have two players a space in a C1 or in one angle, right? Because you're supposed to have two, one this side, one that side. You're giving that player two options, but now here it's just one option la. The player's got one, two options instead of having three options. He was supposed to be here, Gubei 1, 2, 3. So in our case, this has to be police, and police akasabu ukudlala. He's going to come in the middle and play. In Cameroon, they give opportunities to a lot of teams. It's just that they don't capitalize. We have to play to our strength if we want to win the game. Now, let me show you just one clip of us Sipuma. Okay, this was a bad press. Izim was bad. Now watch police coming down here. Watch police coming down and playing as a half 10. We have to do more of this. Police or Rumureni, they need to move from the wings, Guma touchline, and come and play as a half 10 to give extra numbers in the midfield. If bazohlala le emasaidini, then we won't be able to play, because most teams, what they do is they put umuntu oyi-1 kuSipho Mbulu ukuthi angakhona ukudlala, even though he's been having a bad tournament, but we need extra players in the middle. Cameroon might be a good team, but nabo bayalahla. Let me show you. It's Cameroon versus Gabon. So this is the 5 engikhuluma ngayo at the back, le abathanda ukudlala ngayo. But just watch this. Ball watching. They might be a good team, but bayalahla now. Here is another clip. This is actually one of their weakness. Bega foot. Pa. I don't know if we're gonna get the opportunity or so, but this is an example with Bayalas on the left hand side. We have to do it nathi. Singadlali sifuna ukudlala nje kuphela. Nathi we have to try and do it. But we have to score if siyayenza, because both these teams bayenzile, but they didn't score from these chances. If I just showed you their weaknesses it wouldn't be a good thing. And let me show their strength or their game plan is to play the ball behind the defenders. Like this line nje iyapeta nje, angiyazi line eyakuphi. It's putu. Forget about how the goal was scored. Think about how the ball went behind the defenders. There needs to be someone ozofaka pressure on the ball, and then we have to look at the player making the run. Let me show you another video. This is the same game, Mozambique versus Cameroon. Same game. We have to be on a lookout for this run and that pass. Yeah, this one was offside, but we have to be on a lookout. Yes, there was pressure there. Luckily for Mozambique, this guy was offside. So now I've shown you their strength and I've shown you their weakness. It's up to the guys. Every team guys in our analysis, right? I hope Uguti, what I've picked up. I mean, I'm not even a professional. What I've picked up, they have picked up as well, and they've picked up more. And then we have to win the game. Good luck to the boys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for pressing the play button. please subscribe bafethu. Thank you for watching.